Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix the problem. Problem is that your TikTok live suspend account and you want to recover that account. First of all, you have to do that is just go back and just go to the our account. Android setting, just tap on setting, and you have to make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection. Also, make sure that VPN is not connected. After that, just go back and just simply go to back to your TikTok account, TikTok app. Just tap on TikTok and just wait. Just go to profile and just go to three lines and just go to settings and privacy. Just tap on it and just wait and just scroll down and go to report a problem and just simply go to search bar and just simply search. Wait for a second for the loading and just simply search a problem that your live suspend account. Just tap on live suspend account. I already searched it, so you have to search again. Just go back and you have to search live suspend. So you see that there is an option live is suspend. Just tap on it and simply you have to just tap on no. Is the problem solved? No. Need more help? And here you will show all the problem. You can text simply to the TikTok team and tell all the problems about your facing on your TikTok account. So simply text to the TikTok team to solve that problem. So that's this video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.